Most people grab Windows without thinking, but choosing between Windows, macOS, and Linux can shape your entire tech career. Start with licensing. Windows is proprietary software from Microsoft. You pay for a license to use it. macOS is also proprietary from Apple, but ships free with every Mac. The hardware covers the cost. Linux is open source and completely free for anyone to use, modify, or even redistribute. This single difference shapes everything about each system. Hardware compatibility differs sharply. Windows runs on almost any PC hardware. It's designed for broad reach. macOS is restricted to Apple devices only, with no exceptions. Linux is the most flexible of all, running on laptops, servers, and even tiny embedded devices. Under the hood, the kernels differ too. Linux uses an open source, fully customizable kernel. Windows runs on the proprietary Windows NT kernel. macOS uses Darwin, a Unix-based kernel, which is why macOS and Linux share similar command line behavior. Now for use cases. Windows dominates enterprise desktops and gaming. macOS is the go-to for creative professionals and developers. Linux powers the server world, cloud infrastructure, and DevOps pipelines. Software management mirrors these cultures. Windows uses MSI installers, macOS uses DMG files and the App Store, and Linux relies on command line package managers like apt or yum. Windows for compatibility, macOS for the Apple ecosystem, Linux for servers and freedom. Know all three and you'll go far in IT support. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.